Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in our previous videos we have read about the lesson 1 to lesson 3 of our chapter 1 greetings, and today I am going to teach you about the chapter 4 of our German learning syllabus of beginner A1. So hey guys, this is Kanan and I am going to teach you Deutsch. So here it goes. So today basically we are going to do our fourth chapter of beginner A1 chapter 1. So let's get started. The name of chapter 4 is reply. In the overview of our syllabus, when I told you the overview of our chapter 1, I have told you that the lesson 4, it's not chapter, it's lesson. The lesson 4 of our chapter 1 will be practicing introduction, but nearly I have think that the chapter 4 should be reply, because I thought if someone asks you for your name like wie heißt du and you answer like ich heiße Kanan, ich bin Kanan, then first if you meet a total stranger you have to say them nice to meet you, or a relative or any other person you just frequently say nice to meet you. And the person who is standing right before you will also say nice to meet you too. So here in this video we are going to know the meaning of these two sentences. So let's get started and see what's the meaning of these two sentences, what's the translation of these two sentences in German. So let's look at the blackboard and take a notebook and note down what I told you here, because these are the very important basic concepts. So here it goes. The words which I told you to teach is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This is the first sentence which are we going to know about this, the translation of this sentence in Deutsch, German. And the next sentence is nice to meet you too. These both sentences are from exclamatory sentences of our English grammar, because you know in whichever sentence we use the exclamation mark, the sentence is indicated as exclamatory sentence. This is the old, like whenever in whichever sentence we put an exclamation mark, it's an exclamatory sentence. So by learning Deutsch, I'm also going to teach you some rules of German grammar and English grammar. So here is the thing which I told you right now, that this sentence is a exclamatory sentence. Now we are going to know the translation of these sentences. So here it goes. Nice to meet you. The sentence is nice to meet you. So firstly, while making German sentences, as I told you in our previous videos, we have to interlink, multiply, or you can say join two words to make a new word in German. And in the sentence we are going to do that only. There's nothing far more than that. We're just doing that only. So here the thing gets started and here the translation is. So listen to me very carefully if you want to be a good speaker of German, Deutsch, or a good speaker of English. So, nice to meet you. First, let's figure out what these words are in this sentence. Like nice. Nice, basically, let's see, like English literature. Nice is a compliment. अगर हम इंग्लिश लिटरेचर और ग्रामर दोनों की बात करें तो एज पर माई नॉलेज नाइस इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Yes, it is a compliment. And two. What is two? Just let me know in the comment box according to your knowledge what is two. Noun, pronoun, adjective, or something like that. So here, two indicates a pronoun. Or a preposition. To can be a preposition or a pronoun, but in this sentence it is a preposition, not a pronoun. They can be both, to can be both, but in this sentence this is a preposition. So, meet. What is meet? Meet is a verb. It's the first form of the verb. And you. What is you? You is a pronoun. You is a pronoun. So we have found out what the words are: a pronoun, a verb, a preposition, or any other thing. So now it will be very easy for us to make German translation of this sentence. So the German translation of the sentence is nice to. We have to interlink these two words, nice and to. We have to interlink, like see here, nice to. Nice and to are two different words. Now while making German sentence we have to interlink these two. You can say interlinking, joining, or like while going to some mathematical point of view, we can also consider it as multiplication, multiply, as you all know what it is. So nice to. And the next interlinking of two words is meet and you. Meet and you. We have to interlink these two words, and these two words are also different. They are also different, but we are going to interlink these two words to form a sentence in German. So like this is complement, this is preposition, this is verb, and this is pronoun. You can also consider nice as a noun. You can say nice as a noun as per my knowledge, because I have studied about it, and in some some English grammar books which is translated to Deutsch, I have seen that there is noun. This nice is called noun here. So now let's interlink these words. Nice to. So nice is a noun and to is a pronoun. Like noun. Sorry, it is a preposition. So noun plus preposition. And meet is a verb and you is a pronoun. So as per that point of view, while adding verbs, pronouns, prepositions, any other things together, while translating it to German, nothing is changed. Like no more grammar rules are applied, we just get the translation of the sentence. This is the grammar which has been applied, like noun plus preposition, verb plus pronoun. There is no rule that if there is preposition and noun, what will come. If there is verb and pronoun, what will come. There is not an exact explanation of this, but we just simply have to change the sentence. So here goes the changing. So nice to is called Freud. Nice to is called Freud. Okay, are you getting me? Nice to is called Freud. And meet you basically in Hindi is called milna. So nice to meet you, Freud mish. When you go to meet someone, whom would you meet? Themselves? Or they meet yourself? So this is the thing, meet you. So here rule applies just like my. We have to indicate the word my. So in place of meet you, there is a mich. And here is the translation of the word nice to meet you. So nice to meet you in German is called Freut mich. It's called Freut mich. Now let's move to our next sentence. Nice to meet you too. Let's move to our next word with full enthusiasm, and I hope you all are understanding these grammar rules and words which I am telling you right now, and I will tell you every time to make your German fluent. It's like nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. It's called nice to meet you too. Now let's see the German translation. As per I told you before, nice to and meet you interlink with each other. And nice to makes Freud, and meet you makes mich. Freud mich is a German sentence. So it goes. Freud mich, nice to meet you is Freud mich. Now let's move to the German translation of this word too. This word is too. The German translation, firstly let's go some depth into our grammar rules. So let's see. There are some kind of to you used in. Mainly there are three kind of to which we use. Like first to it's TWO, second one TO, and the third one TOO. These are all pronounced in the same way, like to. So to, here TWO means a number, the number 2. Number 2 in Hindi, sankhya. 2, I want to do this, I want to do that. Can you get it? This is that type of to which is basically considered as a preposition. It's a preposition. And this too, like nice to meet you too. These two with an exclamation mark indicates an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence with a huge feeling. It's with a huge feeling like. I hope you all can understand my writing as well as per my knowledge. So now let's move to the German translation of the word to, because now we get that to is an exclamatory word which comes in an exclamatory sentence. And if you've seen the videos, my videos previously, and in this lesson before, I have told you what is the exclamatory sentence. I have told you, just go back, see what it is, and come back and practice. Now let's see the German translation of to is Freut mich auch. It's called Freut mich auch. To is auch in German. And the all sentence is Freut mich auch. Nice to meet you too. Freut mich auch. In Hindi, it is मुझे भी तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. In Hindi it is called मुझे भी तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. In English, nice to meet you too. In German, freut mich auch. So these are the translation of 3 languages. Now this is the all words which I wanted to tell you in this video. So just look at these words again. Nice to meet you. And nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you and nice to meet you too. As we have seen before, the translation of these English sentences to German is, and in Hindi too. You all go down to the comment box and tell me the correct translation of this sentence, nice to meet you, in German as well as Hindi, to improve your German and Hindi too. I know most of the people know Hindi in India, but if someone foreigner is watching it, then just go and practice. I will make you be fluent in 3 languages. It's going to be more easier for you to crack 3 languages in just a click with a teacher, you know. Like nice to meet you in German is called freut mich. And in Hindi it is called तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा, with an exclamatory sign. Wherever exclamatory sign is put, the sentence is called what? Just let me know in the comments. It is called an exclamatory sentence. Nice to meet you too in German is called freut mich auch. Freut mich auch. And in Hindi it is called मुझे भी, like मुझे भी तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. So here are the sentences which we have learned today. These 2 sentences are the sentences which I told you today, and I hope you all understand these 2 sentences. And these 2 sentences are very common and are used very frequently in Hindi, English, German. You can use it in 3 languages. As I told you about 3 languages, you can go and practice about these languages, and you can be fluent in English, Hindi, and German. So here I got for today. So here is the whole thing which I got to understand for you today. So thanks for watching. I would say thanks for watching. So here it goes. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you all understand this video as well as you can. And I know you can do that, and you will be fluent in 3 languages: English, German, and Hindi. So thank you for watching.